Hello mga ka-Myloves! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will cook the merienda. So in Philippines, this we call Kalingking. So this is the ingredients. This is a sweet potato and warm water, sugar, and flour. This is all-purpose flour. So let's start to cook, guys. The water I put already here in all-purpose flour. So you will mix. Then the sweet potato you can mix here before you fry this sweet potato. So like this. So before you fry, you will mix into all-purpose flour. Then you can put the sugar. Put a little sugar because the sweet potato is already sweet. So you will mix. So guys, I'll put already the oil in the pan, so it's already hot. We'll put the sweet potato to fry here. So guys, this is the sweet potato we fried. So we'll see if it's already not yet. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share and comment also. And this is Mylove Rull. I always love you all. Take care and keep safe everyone.